Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be predicting the price movement of Upstart stock. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider price changes a month in advance. This channel only provides short-term price predictions, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Please subscribe to this channel. Upstart stock didn't fall much on Tuesday, but trading volume increased significantly. Clearly, some investors were worried about potential volatility after the company's third-quarter earnings report and exited the market early. Sure enough, the stock fell 15% in pre-market trading on Wednesday. This suggests a significant downward correction is likely. Looking at the 30-minute chart, we can see that the stock experienced a sell-off between October 24th and 30th, with increased volume. The price subsequently rebounded, but not significantly, clearly indicating that the bulls were still suppressed by the bears. On November 4th, trading volume increased significantly again. During the session, the bulls attempted a rebound but were suppressed by the bears, with a large volume of trading at the close. This means that a significant amount of capital flowed out of the market again that day. This suggests the stock is poised to enter a lower range. Looking at the stock's position distribution, we can see that the majority of positions are currently concentrated in the $44.70 to $55.10 range, with the current price at the bottom of this range. This indicates that bulls have been consistently at a disadvantage recently, and significant funds have flowed out of the market in this area. If the stock price falls sharply, it means the market will establish a new bottom. And because high-level positions need to be diluted, the stock may not be able to return to current levels in the short term. Let's return to the stock's daily chart. The stock fell sharply in pre-market trading on Wednesday. This was due to the lending platform for banks and credit unions releasing fourth-quarter guidance that fell short of market expectations and third-quarter results being mixed. Third-quarter adjusted earnings per share were 52 cents. Higher than the average analyst estimate of 42 cents, higher than the second quarter's 36 cents, and higher than the loss of 6 cents in the third quarter of last year. Third quarter revenue was $277.1 million, below the consensus estimate of $279.6 million, but above the previous quarter's $257.3 million and the same period last year's $163.1 million. The company expects fourth-quarter revenue of $288 million, below the consensus estimate of $303.7 million. Adjusted EBITDA is expected to be approximately $63 million, below the consensus estimate of $70.7 million. Therefore, the full-year guidance has been revised as follows. Revenue of approximately $1.035 billion, above the consensus estimate of $1.06 billion and the previous guidance of approximately $1.055 billion. Fee income of approximately $946 million, below the previous guidance of approximately $990 million, and net interest income of approximately $89 million. Above the previous guidance of approximately $65 million. As of November 4th, 11 analysts have rated the stock. The consensus rating is hold. The average price target for Upstart stock is $67. This implies a potential upside of 45% from current levels. It's worth noting that this data comes before the company releases its Q3 earnings report. Technical analysis summary. Based on Wednesday's pre-market trading price, the stock is likely to fall below $40. This means the stock will likely reestablish a bottom in the lower range, which could take some time. Despite a mixed Q3 result and cautious Q4 guidance, the company's fundamentals don't seem to support a continued decline. Therefore, after this sell-off, bulls may rush in to buy the dip, driving a rebound. As for the target price, I've set it around $35.50, but there's a high probability the price will bounce back before reaching that level. The stock may then fill the gap left by this recent price drop. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for Upstart stock. Thanks for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.